Okay, orange chicken wings. What you're going to need for this recipe, obviously some chicken wings. You're going to need some orange jelly. I have some hoisin sauce, which is a Asian barbecue sauce, garlic, rice wine vinegar. This is chili sauce, crushed red pepper, soy sauce, and just regular pepper. What I will do is start out putting it in a saucepan, my jelly, garlic, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce, rice wine vinegar, crushed red pepper, and regular pepper. I'll mix this up, and what I'm going to do is put this on the stove, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. I want to reduce this down so it's a little bit more of a thicker sauce. And what you're going to do is cook your wings any way that you want, whether you're going to fry them, bake them, deep fry them. It's your choice. But again, I'll just bring this to a boil, reduce it down, and you got yourself some chicken wings.